Hi, I'm Megan with WTI, and I have fallen in love with my new Instant Pot. It has changed my life. This is the 8-quart Instant Pot. It comes with a trivet, which is great for when you're cooking larger pieces of meat, like a whole chicken or a roast. You can insert the trivet in there first, and then it's just easier for the meat after when you're removing it to get it out of the pot. My absolute favorite feature is the sauté button. Just add a little bit of oil and you can sauté right in the pot. Listen to the sizzle. I love that I can cook meals all in one pot in half the time because it is a pressure cooker. And once you release the steam and release that pressure, you have a wonderful meal to enjoy as a family. Another feature that I love is that this is dishwasher safe. We have literally chucked this into the dishwasher after every time that we've used it, and it comes out gorgeously clean, which makes our life so much easier. So if you haven't jumped on the Instant Pot bandwagon yet, I gotta say this one is a no-brainer. It cuts down on your cooking time. It makes mealtime so much easier. It reduces the amount of appliances that you need to own, since it has so many different functions and features, and it has made dinner time for our family a whole lot simpler and easier, and that's my point of view.